Klein sent me out this service cart to review. It is made out of heavy polypropylene. It's 18 inches wide, 36 inches long. I'll give you a little close-up look here in a minute, but let's go over some of the features. Here you got a little notch out here if you want to hang 2x4s or stack 2x4s here. You've got a notch here for conduit if you want to cut conduit. You've also got holes. This will fit 1/2-inch conduit if you want to put spools of wire down here. You got 6-inch casters, very heavy rubber wheels with good locks, and I'll be showing you a little bit more about that too. And this mod box, they call it a mod box because it's got your typical mod box rails on it. It will hold all the accessories and more, and I'll show you some more here in a second. You got a rail here on the side, on the front, and on this side. 2 of the wheels have locking casters, 2 on the back. I put them on the back. You can put them wherever you want to. But it is just a very heavy-duty cart. Now, what they sent along with it was this. This is the service cart apron. It's got a heavy zipper on it. You unlock the zipper. You've got all kind of pockets on here. Now, I'm gonna try to do this without. Yep, there it is. You just click it on and you can load this full of tools. If we get through at the end of the day, you simply take it off. All your tools are in here. You fold it up, you zip it back up, and you head home. You can leave this cart there, locked up, sitting around, wherever, but all your tools are secure. Pretty neat. We also have some more accessories I'm going to be showing you. So let's get into it. I'll take you around here and give you a little closer look. Nice heavy-duty 6-inch wheels. These are all rubber. Now, one of my pet peeves are casters that are hard to lock and unlock. If you can see here, to this one, you just push that down, locks it tight, and you got this little button here, or there's a little slot on the right. Just press it, it unlocks. It doesn't get any easier than that. So let's take a look at a possible loadout here. You can always fit your drill, as long as you got a hanger here, you can put your drill, your impact, whatever you want, impact wrench, impact driver right here. You got this magnetic rail where you can put your most used wrenches if you're hauling this around from job to job. And here's your tool apron. Now these pouches here have this little spring steel in them that stay open. So you can fill them up with screws, wire nuts, whatever you really want. Then if you want to close it when you're moving it, you can do that. Very nice little pouches here. Now this thing, like I said, I don't know how many pockets, but it's got plenty of pockets. Enough for your, of course, your Klein insulated lineman plier, your Klein alligator, or your Klein water pump pliers. Plenty of hoops in here. And look at all these are your screwdrivers. Down here you got meter pouches. You got more plier pouches. This thing is really nice. And like I said, at the end of the day, you unhook it, you fold it, you zip it, and you take it home. Here you got room for a drink. This is a WD-40 tumbler here. This is your tape. Let me spin it around. Okay, so you got more organizers here. Here is your, this is your little parts bin organizer. This is your rail organizer where you can fit really whatever. In fact, if you have more power drills, you can put that there. You can put your pliers in here, really whatever have you. And this is your little mod box holder. So you can put whatever size mod box you have on here. Very easy. Now over here, this is what's really cool, I think. This is the mod box dual LED light. You can mount it right on the front here on the rail, and you can push this wherever you want to, wherever you need light. This thing, you can have it on broadcast here, broadcast light, or you can have it on LED, or if you wanted to, you could actually have it on both. And you can point each one of them wherever you want to. You got plenty of room up here for all of your wrenches, all of your tools, whatever you need from job to job. I mean, I can see you loading this up with doorknobs if you're on a commercial site and one day you're just putting in a lot of doorknobs. You got all the tools you need. You got the light you need. Of course, you can have electrical boxes, just whatever. You got room here to cut your You know, you do have lock. You can lock these. You can put a 2x4 here, lock the casters, and cut 2x4s all day long with these in the notch where it won't slide forward. That's a pretty good idea they had there. Let's get into some of the key features from the Klein site. Let's start with this service pouch. As you can see, it's got 18 pockets, and 2 of those have those flex frame closures. It's made out of 1680D polyester, and the entire thing weighs 3.8 pounds empty. And on the back, what's really cool are these clips, because they're very easy to take on and take off, and they're just secured. You don't have to worry about it falling off the cart. Now the cart weighs 52 pounds total. It's 39 inches high. Holds all of the mod box accessories like these tool pouches and anything that fits on the mod box will fit on this rail. As you can see here, it holds the 2x4s and the conduit. The handle has drink holders and then a lot of different compartments where you can put some small tools and also small fasteners or whatever you need for that particular project. Guys, this is the Klein utility service cart, all loaded out. Of course, you can load it up as much as you want. It'll hold 500 pounds. You can do what you want to with it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more reviews like this. And I tell you, Klein's got a winner here. Check it out.